Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art, and in today's video we are going to do a little experiment with a different color. So I decided to use a yellow or orangey color for our flower, and I have premixed already my resin, which is 1:1 ratio, and I'm going to use 4 small plastic cups where we're going to pour some resin, and then later on we will be mixing our colors. And we are going to use orange color, black, white, and mica powder, which is like white golden color. And we're starting with the first one, orange color, and it's really see-through pigment, so I'm using 5 drops of this one. And when I mix it, I decided to add a couple of more to make it a bit more brighter color, and it's still really see-through as well. And make sure before using any ink, shake the bottle really well, as they quite often separate the color in the bottle. For the second one, I'm going to use my black color. It's really opaque, really pigmented color, so I just added like a few drops, and you can see how full on color straight away. And again, make sure you mix it really well so we don't have any separation of the colors, and the color is really like a dark opaque black color. And for the third one, we are going to use a mica powder, and it's white with some like golden shimmer. It's really beautiful and I really like it. With the mica powder, make sure you when you put it in a resin, start mixing quite slowly, because otherwise it can go everywhere, and then you can go quicker. And again, make sure you mix it really well so we don't have any powder left, and it's all mixed with the resin, and you can see like beautiful golden shimmer color. For the last one, it's white, ocean white, and I'm just using a little drop as it's really heavy and full on pigment, and just mixing again really well. And I've got some crushed glass on the side as well, which is combination of black and a bit of golden color as well. So just I decided to add a couple of more drops of yellow color to my orange, and it's like a white or white yellow color, so just to add a bit more intense color to the orange. And you can see it's become more like less transparent and a bit more yellowy color. And then I will just double mix again all my colors, make sure they all mixed well, and I'm happy with the color. And we're starting with the orange color and just going to pour it on a side of the coaster through all the way around, and you can go a few times until you pour all resin out, and just going over again a few times. I will be using a torch and heat gun as well to make sure help with the bubbles. And now we're going with the black, and you just go all the way around as well until you spread all the colors out. And then I'm just going over with a torch to help remove any bubbles. Make sure you go nice and quick so you do not damage your mold or overheat the resin. Now we're using our mica powder color, so again nice and quick around the mold. I've gone quite a few times with this one, and again until the color is gone. And then for the last one, we are going to use our white. Look how beautiful pattern we've got in the middle. It's like a grass flower pattern. So cool. And again, over with a torch to remove any bubbles, and the white again on top of same circle as we done with all other colors, and until it's all gone. And then we are going to use our clear, just pour it in the middle to help the colors to spread and create our beautiful pattern. And after this, I will just leave a camera on time lapse, and you can see how beautiful colors will be spreading. And then I'm just going to add some crushed glass in the middle, and then we're all done. And continue watching for demolding, and see you shortly. Hello and welcome back, and it's time to demolding our flower we done early today, and it's a beautiful color. I used some orangey yellow color, and with a combination of black and white you can see it's kind of like a greenish color. And I can't wait what we've got on another side. I used my new mold with crystal edges, and let's see what we've got on another side, and let's have a look. So you can see in middle a little bit see-through, and let's turn it around and see the final result. Oh, it's really nice. It's really nice flower with some petals and beautiful color. I'm not sure if you can see that, but the mica powder color was like a gold white, and it's like really shimmery color. It's really beautiful. I'm not sure if camera really can focus and show. That's really cool, different design. I really like these edges. Look how beautiful they look. And so shiny and shimmery as well. And the black in the middle. I'm quite pleased with this one. I hope you like, guys, as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Leave me some comments. What do you think about this one? And see you really shortly. Thank you and bye for now.